Hi, I'm Philip from Crutchfield, and today I'm going to talk about the Record Doctor cleaning machines. This is the Record Doctor 5, and this is the Record Doctor 6, and they work basically the same way. You mount a record on top, and then use the included cleaning fluid and applicator brush to cover the record's surface. Then you flip your record over and use the vacuum cleaning machine to thoroughly pull out all the dirt, dust, and debris from the record's grooves. The upgrade in sound quality you get from a truly clean record is pretty amazing. Yes, there's the obvious crackles and pops that you'll get rid of, but the Record Doctor's ability to pull all the tiny dust and dirt from the record's grooves will give your records much better clarity, detail, and stereo separation. Think about how your turntable works for a second. You have a very fine stylus on the end of your tone arm, and it's tracing the inner walls of the grooves of your record. Every little detail and vibration is what turns into your audio signal. That's why thoroughly cleaning your records is so important to get the best sound quality. Now, this is actually my personal Record Doctor 5 that I've been using to clean my own records for a little over a year now. It's done a great job and really allowed me to get the most out of my vinyl. I use it on every record I add to my collection, whether it's from an old bin at the record store or even brand new LPs right out of the shrink wrap. And honestly, when it comes to sound quality, the Record Doctor 5 has been the single biggest upgrade I've made to my system. The Record Doctor 6 takes everything I love about the 5 and improves on it. It's available in this sleek, glossy black finish, as well as a cool carbon fiber finish, and the top plate's made out of a brushed aluminum, which not only looks a lot nicer, but it also is more fluid resistant, it makes the cabinet stronger and quieter, and it dissipates heat better. The record turner is also a new design. It's larger so it's easier to grip, but that also means it entirely covers the paper label of your record so that you're less likely to get wet spots from the cleaning fluid. The included applicator brush is also a nice upgrade over the 5s. It spreads the fluid around the record's surface as well as gets down into the record's grooves to loosen up any dirt or debris. And finally, the 6 features additional venting to further decrease heat and reduce noise levels. The Record Doctor 5 is still super effective for cleaning your records, but all the little upgrades of the 6 make it a nicer experience to use. And in addition to these cleaning machines, we also have some other accessories that I'm a big fan of. A carbon fiber brush is a great way to keep your records clean between plays, and it helps to reduce static. Stylus cleaner fluid is another important piece of the puzzle. We talked about the interface between your stylus and the walls of the record grooves. Well, in addition to keeping your records clean, it's important to clean your stylus from time to time. We even have optional dust covers available for the Record Doctors. So if you're looking to get the most out of your vinyl, we definitely recommend the Record Doctor cleaning machines. If you have any questions, please give our advisors a call, chat with us online, or send us an email. Thanks.